Yes, Miss Dabaglita!
With Tita Cora and Kapitana Sisa.
Nanyayahan ko po kayong lahat dahil eto na. Get ready for the ultimate sustainability event of the year, diba? Nations Builder and Muslim Award proudly present the #1 Sustainability Festival in Asia. Join us on March 21, 2025, 4 p.m. at Okada, Manila for an inspiring celebration of innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility. Ang taray, oh. English ang lola. Engage with trailblazers in the field, explore groundbreaking solution, and become part of the global movement for a more sustainability world. Taray! Kinaya ko yan. Kaya for tickets inquiry, message their Facebook page, Nations Builders and Muslim Awards. All call their mobile number at 0968-858-1982 or their landline or 8280-2965. See you there at the #1 Sustainability Festival. Tandaan nyo yan na March 21 in Okada, Maynila. Maynila! Nakakaloka! Ang ganda na ng pagkakaano, tapos biglang Okada, Maynila. Ang taray nun. Pero tama naman ang